Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using Podmas rule, which dictates the correct order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for how we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this Bodmas sequence, we break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First we solve the evaluate parentheses, the small brackets. As you can see in Bodmas, there is a small bracket. According to this expression, we have a small bracket 6 minus 4 and we'll get 2. According to this step, start with the innermost bracket first. And now the current expression becomes 72 divided by curly braces 8 plus 2, then square bracket of plus cube root 64 and multiplied by 3. Move to the next step. According to next step, evaluate the curly brackets. Now there is addition. 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. According to this step, move outward to clear the next bracket tire. And now the current expression becomes 72 divided by 10 square bracket of plus cube root 64 multiplied by 3. Now move to the next step. Evaluate the square brackets. In these square brackets there is a division. 72 divided by 10 will get 7.2, or either we can write it down in fraction 36 upon 5. According to this step, completely solve the final brackets. And now the current expression becomes 7.2 plus cube root 64 and multiplied by 3. Move to the next step. Evaluate the order cube roots. And now there is a cube root 64 will get the value 4. So now according to this step, handle the roots and exponent next. And now the current expression becomes 72 plus 4 multiplied by 3. Move to the next step, perform multiplication. Now multiply the digits. 4 multiplied by 3 is equals to 12. According to this step, multiplication M must be performed before addition A. And now the current expression becomes 7.2 plus 12. Now finally the last step, perform addition. Add the values. 7.2 plus 12 we get 19.2. According to this, we can write it down in mixed fraction also. 19 1 by 5 or a 19.2 is the final result. So now according to this expression, by using the systematically Bodmas sequence, the final result of this expression is 19.2, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.